Hi, in my last video I showed you how to make a fuse using a combination of potassium nitrate and sugar. So in this video, now that the paper towel that I made it from has absorbed all the KNO3, I'm going to, now that it's dry, I'm going to attempt to ignite the fuse, and we'll see just how well the mixture burns as a fuse. I think that does pretty well. Started out kind of slow, but then really caught on and moves quickly. So if you're looking to make any kind of fuse for a firework, for New Year's Eve coming up, or something like that, try this mixture. Now some things work better than others. This was just a regular paper towel soaked in the KNO3 mixture that I described in the last video. And then of course you have to let it dry overnight. Now you could try to put it in the oven on medium for maybe 20 minutes or so. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pan though. But I'm always in fear that it'll catch fire in the oven. So I usually just try to let it dry overnight. Now other items you can try to use are bath tissue and 100% cotton yarn also works. But you either have to bake it after it soaks in the KNO3 mixture and then trim it to the size that you need it, or you definitely just have to let it dry. It will not burn well while wet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.